Hello, Mr. H and Mrs. H. Good afternoon and welcome to our villa. Charot. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you this covered switch of our deep well. And this is for rain or shine something. They put a mini roof of it. And what is this? How to know this one? What is the password? Chiki chiki? Boogie boogie? I can't open it. And right now they're doing the cover. No, Briley, no. They're doing the cover of the machine, the vacuum, jacuzzi machine right there. Later on, I'm gonna go there. Briley, no, don't throw the stones.
Punta ka muna kay Papa mo. Kuya, magbibigay lang ako sa dito. Punta ka muna kay Papa.
So we're here right now. They built a, what do you call it? Andito lang si Mama. Mama is here. Don't cry. Andito lang. Yeah. So, on this part, as you can see right now, they already done the half of this. And some of the workers working this Sunday. And I think it's gonna be finished soon, this demolition. Andito lang si Mamar. And that will be, as you can see that right there, that will be the access door going to our pump room. Andito lang si Mamar. Bidyan ko lang sir ha, yung pump room. And this is our pump room. Bali sir, may hagdanan to pa itaas?
Meron siguro yun, ma'am.
Hindi yan makaka-apekto sa sasakyan.
Tawag ko ng engineer kung ano.
Okay.
Wala pa kasi kung ano eh.
Wala pang.
Ano niya kung ano. Instruction niya kung ano.
Kung ano-ano nito. Sige po. And, ito na. Akita si Mama dyan. Pastilan ka.
Sige na, suot mo na.
Ayan na. That will be the design of our gate. And then this is the gate for the... Ano na?
Baka yan yung mukhang malaki eh.
Alin po?
Yan. Sintip na yan.
Ayan, yan nga yung pinaanohan namin. Pinasipsipan nung nakaraan. This is the sidewalk. That will gonna be we will going to have a rectification for this one to be a slope going to the parking. This is Mama is here.